So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of ZGN Talks, and today we will be talking to you about the top 5 credit cards for beginners in 2020. So before we get into the video, go ahead and click the like button. We really appreciate it. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. And if you're feeling even better today, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We appreciate that a lot. It helps grow and expand our channel.
So the first card we recommend is Discover Secured Card. Essentially what that means is if you have a $500 limit, they hold on to $500 as collateral. So if you ever default on your first credit card because they don't know you, they basically hold on to that. And this card is no annual fee. It costs $0 a year, which means nothing to hold it. And you currently get 2% cash back on gas stations and restaurant. And you currently get 1% cash back on all other purchases. So it's a very solid first card.
Now, the second card is the Amazon Prime Rewards Cash Card. As you see here, I'm reading off my phone, so I'm able to provide all the information. But if it's difficult for you to follow, it will also be right here. So first off, again, no annual fee. That means it costs you $0 to hold it annually. Second of all, you must have an Amazon Prime membership to get the full credit, because when you get approved for it, you get an instant $70 Amazon gift card. So pretty much, first off, $0 annual fee. When you get approved for the card, you get a free $70 that you can go ahead and spend on Amazon. So it's essentially a free $70 when you get approved for the card and you have an Amazon Prime membership. Now, when using this card, you get 5% cash back on any Amazon purchases, along with when you shop at Whole Foods. So if you're someone that's constantly shopping on Amazon, ordering products, or maybe you have a family or you're living for yourself and you want to go ahead and buy food at Whole Foods, you will get an extra 5% cash back. That means for every $100 that you spend, you get $5 back. 5% cash back is a lot of cash back, and you will rarely ever see that with many other credit cards. On top of the 5% cash back, you also get 2% cash back at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores. And then if you're not shopping there, you get 1% cash back on all of your other purchases. So not only do you get a free $70 when you get this card, but you also get a lot of cash back coming your way when you use this card.
So the third card I recommend is the American Express BlueCash. This with Mitch and I's second card each. It's a great starter card, pretty good all around. And this card has a $0 annual fee, which means like the other cards, costs nothing to hold it every year. They don't charge you for having this card out. And when you have this card, they have an introduction offer. Is if you spend $1,000 in the first 90 days, you get $150 back. So if you want to go to, like dinner with your friends and, get some cash back, or have to pay for everyone and have them pay you back. This credit card actually gets 3% back at supermarkets. So it's great for going grocery shopping. And this card also gets 2% cash back at U.S. gas stations and U.S. department stores. This card also gets 1% cash back on all other purchases.
So for the fourth credit card, this is one of my personal favorite. It is the BofA Cash Rewards card. And again, this card has no annual fee, meaning it will cost you $0 to own. On top of that, you will also earn $200 back on spending $1,000 within the span of 90 days. Again, if this is confusing for some of you guys, when you get approved for the card, you have 90 days. And within that period, when you spend $1,000, that means you will get $200 back, meaning if you have certain necessities such as groceries, paying rent, once you spend $800, the next $200 that you spend will essentially be free. Now, when it comes to cashback, you will be getting 3% and 2% cashback on your first $2,500 spent in combined categories of your choice. So pretty much when you sign up for this card and you set up an account with BofA, you go ahead on their website and you will see certain categories that you could activate. And these will be categories of your choice. Now, for certain categories, for example, online shopping, you could select to get 3% cashback. And then for grocery stores, you can select to get 2% cashback. Now, aside from the 3% and 2% cashback, if you did not select a certain category to get cashback, for those specific categories, all of your other purchases will go ahead and give you 1% cashback. Now, again, great intro offer, $200 on $1,000 spent within the span of 90 days, and then you get 3%, 2%, and 1% cashback on certain categories.
The last card we personally recommend is one of our personal favorites is Chase Freedom. Extremely easy to get approved for if you bank with Chase for a long time. And just like the other cards, this card is a $0 annual fee, which means like the other cards, costs nothing to have, doesn't hurt you. And this card actually is one of the best introductory offers out there right now. It's currently spend $500, get $200 back within 90 days. So if you go out and eat with friends, you have a nice $500 dinner with 5 friends, they all pay you back. You spend $100 a person, you actually end up getting paid $100 to go hang out with your friends. So, it's a great card for having a great time with your friends. And this card gets 5% back in rotating categories up to $1,500 in purchasing every single quarter. And essentially what that means is every single quarter, the 5% category actually rotates. Sometimes grocery stores, sometimes wireless services. But every 3 months, pretty much the category changes. You go online to the portal, you activate, and you get 5% back in those categories. And besides that 5% back, you actually get 1% back on all other purchases. So it's a pretty solid card, but I personally just love to use it for the rotating categories.
So yeah, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Those are our top 5 credit cards for beginners in 2020. Again, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash the like button. Also, down in the description, we will have referral offers to those credit cards if you choose to apply for them. And lastly, if you want to go ahead and you have any more questions about credit, our Instagrams are down in the description. Feel free to contact us, get in touch with us, always down to network and communicate with you guys. We hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.
Adios.